Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to wipe your digital footprint from Google by clearing your entire search, YouTube, and location history. This is the most thorough way to reclaim your privacy, so let's jump right into it. To delete everything at once, we need to go to the heart of your Google account, the My Activity dashboard. Open your web browser on your phone or PC and go to myactivity.google.com. Make sure you are logged into the Google account you want to clean up. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard divided into sections like Web and App Activity, YouTube History, and Location History. The Web and App Activity section holds your Google search history, Maps searches, and apps you opened. Look for the Web and App Activity box and click on Delete. Choose All Time to remove every single search you've ever made on this account. Google will show you a list of products. Make sure Select All is checked and hit Next. Confirm the deletion. Once complete, your past searches will no longer influence your recommendations. If you want to reset your recommended feed on YouTube, you need to clear both what you've watched and what you searched for. Back on the main My Activity page, find the YouTube History section. Tap on Delete and select Delete All Time. Confirm your choice. This will immediately wipe your watch history and search terms across all devices. Pro tip: you can also toggle the pause switch here to stop Google from saving your future YouTube history altogether. Location data is handled slightly differently in 2026, often living inside the Google Maps timeline. On the My Activity page, look for Location History or Timeline. Click on See and Delete Activity to open your Maps timeline. Tap the gear icon or the More menu and select Delete All Location History. Check the box to confirm you understand that this cannot be undone and tap Delete. To keep your account clean in the future without doing this manually, you should turn on Auto Delete. Go to the Controls tab at the top of the My Activity page. Under each category, look for the Auto Delete option. Select Auto Delete Activity Older Than and choose 3 months for the highest level of privacy. Hit Confirm, and Google will now automatically wipe your old data every single day. And that's it. Your Google account is now a blank slate. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more privacy and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.